Shalom and welcome. Shalom, ברוכים הבאים. I would like to welcome you and to talk about the very first 8 letters in Hebrew. They are organized in a different method here. Let's start with the first one, lamed. Lamed. Pronunciation very simple. Le. Very close to light. It's not so deep as in English. Le. Le. Me. You can clearly see we have two types of characters for mem and also for nun, and the reason is this is a final form. The same thing here, final form. What does it mean? It means that this form will appear at the end only. And the same thing here. This will appear anywhere else, just not the end. So this is a mem. See, the name of the letter is always creating actually the sound of the letter. Mem as me, nun as ne. The last one is quite tricky. The name is resh. Resh. Now notice Israeli pronunciation is making it something like a re, quite close to French. But my parents, they pronounce it as re. You can might as well do this as you feel comfortable with. Okay, now let's write them together. So we're going to do the lamed. Notice I'm going to start from right to left like I will do in Hebrew. So it's going to go like that. Achat, 1, 2, shtayim, shalosh, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Achat, shtayim, shalosh. Notice I write with the mouse, so it's not so careful and not so nice. Achat, shtayim, shalosh, 1, 2, 3. Mem, final mem is just a square. Achat, oops, shtayim, shalosh, arba. Sorry. Achat, shtayim, shalosh, arba. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other mem is going to go like that. Achat, shtayim, shalosh, arba. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Achat, shtayim, shalosh, arba. And final nun is just a long line. Achat, shtayim, achat, shtayim, achat, shtayim. And ordinary nun is achat, shtayim, shalosh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And resh, very simple. Achat, shtayim. Achat, shtayim. Achat, shtayim. Okay, now let's talk about this very difficult group. They are the gutturals. They have a vocalization traditionally in the throat. I want to tell you something simple about the aleph. Aleph most of the time will take the vowel sound. Otherwise, it can be silent or something like so that's about the aleph. Hey, same thing as aleph basically, but also you may hear the sound of as in horse. Chet, modern Israeli pronunciation is doing it like traditionally it's going to be something like in the throat. Ain, modern pronunciation like the aleph, and traditionally in the throat. Now let's write them. Aleph is so nice, such a nice letter. I'm going to take red and achat, shtayim, shalosh. Aleph is the first letter of the alphabet. I think you will like it. Achat, shtayim, shalosh. 1, 2, 3. Achat, shtayim, shalosh. Hey is very easy to write. Achat, shtayim, shalosh. You want it to be quite small because we have so many similar letters, so you want to make this very small. Let me take another one. Achat, shtayim, shalosh. 1, 2, 3. Chet, very easy, very similar to the hey, only the line is not detached. As achat, shtayim, shalosh, achat, shtayim, shalosh, and achat, shtayim, shalosh. And ain, I like to do it something very simple like that. Achat and shtayim. Achat and shtayim. Achat and shtayim. זהו, that is it. אז תודה רבה. Thank you all so much for your comments. ולהתראות.